Hello everyone, welcome you all for our YouTube channel. In this video I will solve one question on the topic complex analysis. There was a question in KSET 2017. If C is a circle, mod z is equal to 1, means that C denoted by contour, mod z is equal to 1, then the value of the integral of z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5 dz over a contour C. This contour is equal to, in the option A, this is 1 plus I, option B 0, and option C 1 minus 2y, D, option D is equal to 1. Now we see the background of this example. Let us see theory. What is the theory? The Cauchy-Gosset theorem statement: if fz is an analytical function, what do you mean by analytical function? That function is a differentiate everywhere in that given domain. We call that is fz is analytic. Okay, if fz is analytical in simply connected domain, then integration of fz dz over that any contour in that domain is equal to 0 for any closed contour in that domain D. Okay, simple statement. If fz is analytic nothing but no singular point in that region. If fz has, then fz is analytic, differentiate everywhere. Okay, this is one part. And if z is equal to x plus iy and z1 is equal to x1 plus iy1 or any two complex number, then distance between z1 and z2 is denoted by modulus of z minus z1, and it is given by modulus of z minus z1 is equal to square root of distance formula x minus x1 square plus y minus y1 square. In this way we can calculate a distance between any two complex numbers. Now come back to that example. Okay, in this example given contour is this one. Mod z is equal to 1. Now this is a circle, unit circle. Mod z at the point, center is at the origin, is equal to 1 is our unit circle. Center of that contour is 0 plus I0. Okay, this is our center and this is our contour. And diagrammatically it can be expressed as like this if it is origin, and this is our simple contour. This is connected, already you know according to definition of connected, and it is a closed domain. Okay, now in this contour, whether this given function is analytical or not, we need to check. Fz, our function is fz is equal to z plus 4 divided by z square plus 2z plus 5. Okay, this is a rational polynomial function. Okay, if it is a polynomial function, no doubt polynomial function is entire, nothing but it is analytical throughout the complex plane. But if it is a rational polynomial, we need to check whether this is analytical or not. Okay, suppose, okay, if it is a rational function, for example, general form p of x divided by q of x. Okay, this rational function is said to be analytic. We check zeros of q of x in given contour. Okay, if q of x has zeros, then they act as similar point for that rational polynomial, and that function is not analytic. Okay, now we check whether this is q of x is 0 or 1. Compare given function with this standard form. Q of x is equal to z square plus 2z plus 5. Okay, this is a quadratic, it is in the form of quadratic. Okay, now we check what are the zeros of that function q of x. zeros of z square plus 2z plus 5 equal to 0 are, okay, you solve that one, you get minus 1 plus I, and one more is minus 1 minus I, okay, 2 points. And these 2 points, next our duty, these 2 points belongs to contour R0. These 2 points does not belongs to our contour what z is equal to 1, because, okay, now here we can use the help of that distance formula to calculate whether these points are lies in the given contour or not. Okay, that how to check that one? This contour is given by unit circle, and center is z0 is center is at the origin. We call that is z0, and I will call that point 1 point z1 minus 1 plus I. Okay. Now I will check a distance between these two, z0 minus z1. Okay, distance between these two, that is simply mod of z1, because that is a center. Mod of z1 is nothing but square root of minus 1 plus I. X is minus 1 and y is plus 1, that is minus 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Root 2 nothing but 1 point something, it is definitely greater than 1. This is our radius. Okay, if this point distance between these 2 points is greater than r, it implies that that point is definitely lies outside the contour. Okay, therefore z1 is equal to minus 1 plus I is lies outside the contour. Okay, similarly we check another point. I will call this as z2, that is minus 1 minus I, and I will calculate distance between z2 minus z1 or z0 minus z2. It is nothing but z2. This is simply minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. Once again this is a root 2 greater than 1. Therefore this point is also lies outside. Okay, outside. Though it has 2 zeros, q of x has 2 zeros, it means that if the given function has 2 singular points, all those singular points lies outside the contour. Okay, then according to our Cauchy-Gaussot theorem, if a function is analytic everywhere in this closed contour, therefore integration of this fz dz is equal to 0 over a contour. In this case, contour is modulus of z is equal to 1. This is 0. It means that in case of fz, you replace that function, it will become 0. Therefore, you look at the option. Option A is 1 plus I. It is not correct. In option B, it is 0. Yes, in option C, 1 minus 2I. In option D is 1. Therefore, option B is a correct answer for this question. For more videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you one and all.